Hi, my name is Jessica, and I wish you a warm welcome to the fantastic world of SunDirect infrared heating. In this video, we will show you how to mount your SunDirect infrared panel onto a wall. These instructions refer to IC+, GD+, and MD+ series. Please note that GD+ and MD+ series are designed only for wall mounting, so don't mount them on the ceiling. Also, keep in mind that the kit supplied in the package is designed for the mounting on a solid wall or ceiling. If mounted onto other types of wall or ceiling, you will need appropriate hardware which is not supplied. Please make sure the wall or ceiling is safe to mount. So let's get started. You are going to need the following tools: one 8mm drill bit, a pen, a level, and one electric or regular screwdriver. You may also need a hammer. Make sure that your SunDirect mounting kit contains all the required elements: one mounting bracket, 6 screws, 6 plate washers, and 6 dowels. Use the supplied mounting bracket to mark the position of the holes on the wall or ceiling. For vertical wall mounting, the letter A cutout will be the top of the mounting bracket. For horizontal wall mounting, the letter B cutout will be the top of the mounting. Use the level to make sure that the bracket is positioned under the right angle. Now that you marked the position of the holes, drill holes using an 8mm drill. Insert the dowels into the holes. You can use the hammer if necessary, just make sure to be gentle. Fasten the screws into the dowels through the holes on the mounting bracket. Mount the panel on the mounting bracket. Aim for the round part of the mounting holes and then move the panel in the required direction until it is secured. There you go! The panel is now securely mounted to the wall. Make sure to check out our other tutorials where we will show you how to connect your SunDirect infrared panel with the SunDirect wireless thermostat and how to connect the thermostat with our SunDirect Smart app. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to our YouTube channel, and if you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comments below. You can also find us on social media or contact us through our website. My name is Jessica, and I'm sending you warm greetings from all of us at SunDirect.